How's it, guys? Welcome back to FX Rhapsody. Today we're going to be talking about why do you trade the Forex market. Okay, so there's going to be, in my opinion, there's definitely going to be two reasons. First reason is going to be you're doing it because of extra income, and the second reason is you are replacing or trying to replace your current income, meaning that you want to go and be a full-time trader. Now, in both scenarios, you need a plan, and in both scenarios, the plan is very similar. Okay, so let's talk about trading for an extra income. Okay, so there's a couple of things that you need to do, or in my opinion, that you need to, when you trade, you need to obviously start small. Okay, so don't just start off your trading career and think, okay, I'm going to go in big, I'm going to make lots of money. We always talk about this, and you can, and you've heard a lot of people saying this as well. Don't just go in and think you're going to be rich from the start. That is not how trading works. It will put you down to earth. It will bring you down to earth. It will make you blow account after account. So when you start off your trading career, and even if you are already advanced in your trading career and you feel like you're still losing a lot, go back to your basics. Start off small. Take those small little profits. Because at the end of the day, all these small little profits that you're taking, it builds up to be a big amount at the end of the day. Okay, get comfortable with your trading strategy. Okay, stop hopping around. Stop trying to learn everything about trading, because there's just too much information out there. Try and simplify your trading by sticking to a certain strategy. Try and perfect that strategy, and if it really doesn't work for you, then you can move on to the next one. Okay, so yes, a lot of information is helpful, but too much information is an information overload. Then you're going to just start confusing yourself. Have a daily or a weekly target. This is very important, guys. Especially, you'll see it now, it's in both scenarios. Have a daily target or weekly target. A daily target meaning a certain amount of pips or profit that you want to take a day, but you need to extend that to a weekly target, because there will be certain days that you will have losses. But if you have it on a weekly target, okay, a weekly target of what you want to achieve, then you will find out that you will have two winning days or two good trading days. You'll have one bad trading day, but in the third and the fourth will make up for that one bad trading day or two bad trading days that you had in the week. So at the end of the week, you will see that, my target has still been reached, even though I had two bad trading days in that week. So have a daily and a weekly target, so you can, measure yourself against that. And then, guys, don't put too much pressure on yourself. Okay, don't go in the market and, like I said before, push and try and be in every trade and all that. Be patient when it comes to trading. I've seen it so many times. I've talked to so many guys, a lot of friends of mine, we all, and I've been through this a lot. Okay, if you have patience, you will succeed. Try not to be in every trade, guys. Try and wait for your setups to happen. If you are convinced your strategy is working, stick to that strategy. It is amazing how human nature wants to, when something works, you want to better it. Why do you want to try and be in, make that strategy that is already working? Why do you want to make it better? Because if you change your strategy, you will start losing. So if it works for you, stick to that. Try and stick to the plan. Try and stick to the strategy. And the one goal is, do not be greedy, because that is where most traders fail. If you start being greedy, then you are going to fail. Now, trading to replace your income, okay? First rule is do not quit your day job. Please do not. It is so important. You will put too much pressure on yourself. Start off your trading small. Again, the same as doing it for extra income. Start small, work your way up. Get comfortable with your strategy, and then have your daily, your weekly, and then a monthly plan. Because you must remember, when you do trading as a full-time or be a full-time trader, you need to have that monthly income, okay? Because you are replacing your monthly income now, or weekly income, or whatever scenario you're sitting in. But you need to have a monthly plan saying, this is the amount of money I need to make to survive. So have that plan in place. So when you start trading, I would say you need to reach that monthly target at least 6 months in a row, and do it comfortably before you can even think about taking up trading as a full-time job. I've been there, guys. I've been there. It is a lot of pressure, especially when the trades aren't working for you. It is a lot of pressure to go through. Okay, so because once you are a full-time trader, that's the only source of income you're getting. And what happens if you have a couple of bad trading days? Then your mind starts working against you. Then you start thinking, is this what am I going to do? Was this a mistake? Now you've quit your day job. Now you don't have an extra source of income. So you need to be comfortable in your trading mentally, even physically. You need to be comfortable before you can even think about making trading your primary source of income. So guys, I hope these tips help a little bit. The biggest thing is simplify your trading. Don't be greedy. Be comfortable in your strategy. Have a plan in place. Then you will succeed in your trading, be it for extra income or be it a full-time trader. So guys, that's all from my side. I hope you enjoyed this little video, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button. Show me some love by hitting that super thanks button. Subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and there's definitely some more trading content coming your way. Guys, I hope you've been having a wonderful week. Stay safe and happy trading, guys.